An adjustment is the word used to describe the process by which the chiropractor helps the body's own spinal muscles correct vertebral subluxations. A subluxation is a slightly misaligned spinal bone that is interfering with the ability of the nervous system to carry the vital messages that are necessary for the proper functioning of your body. To correct subluxations, the chiropractor applies a very gentle, specific pressure with his or her hands in the direction indicated by the spinal muscles, and the body makes a correction. There may also be an accompanying popping sound in some instances, which is completely normal. That is just the result of gases in the joint releasing when the joint surfaces separate as they move. You'll be pleased to know that most people find having an adjustment a very relaxing experience. It's also a very brief process, generally taking the chiropractor only several minutes to perform any needed adjustments. Hi, I'm Canberra-based chiropractor Murray Fisher. I've been offering chiropractic care to members of the Canberra community and surrounding areas for more than 25 years now. If you would like to receive 15 free videos where I personally answer the most common questions people ask me about chiropractic care here in Canberra, then please do visit my website www.murrayfisherchiropractor.com.au.